Refraction from denser medium to rarer medium in wave theory. Consider two media which are separated by a surface x dashed. Look at the ray diagram. These are the two media. One is a denser medium and the other one is the rarer medium. They are separated by a surface x dashed. On the surface, a set of parallel waves are incident. Out of those, two waves along the path PA and QBD are represented here. AB is the incident wavefront. I is the angle of incidence. Look at the incident wavefront. AB is a plane wavefront. At point A, the wave reaches from P to A and touches the surface of separation x dashed. Whereas on the wavefront AB, the wave from Q reaches B. The wave at B need to travel a distance equal to BD more to touch the surface of separation x dashed. If t is the time taken for the wave to travel from B to D in the denser medium with velocity v, then BD equal to v into t. At the same time, the wave at A, which had touched the refracting surface, undergoes refraction and travels through a distance equal to an. If c is the velocity with which wave is traveling in the rarer medium, then in time t, an equal to ct. Since the waves can travel with more velocity in rarer medium than in denser medium, an is more than bd. With A as center and an equal to ct as radius, if we construct a sphere, that will be the secondary wavelet emitting from A. The tangent to the secondary wavelet to D will be the refracted wavefront. Refracted wavefront ND makes an angle R with the surface of separation x dashed. Look at the triangle ABD. Angle B is 90 degree since incident wavefront and incident waves make an angle 90 degree. They are normal. From triangle ABD, what is sin I? Sin I equal to BD by AD. Let us call this equation number 1. Similarly, from triangle AND, what is sin R? Sin R equal to AN divided by AD. The angle N equal to 90 degree. Because the refracted wavefront and refracted wave are normal to each other. Therefore, n equal to 90 degree. So sin r equal to an divided by AD, let us write as equation number 2. Dividing equation 1 by 2, sin I by sin r equal to BD by AN. AD get cancel out. Already we know BD equal to velocity V into T. AN equal to velocity C into T. So BD by AN is VT by CT. TT cancel out, which is equal to V by C. According to Snell's law, sin I by sin r equal to refractive index of the rarer medium with respect to that of denser medium. Hence, V by C equal to refractive index of rarer medium NR divided by refractive index of denser medium ND. If rarer medium is air, NR equal to 1. Therefore, V by C equal to 1 by ND, or C by V equal to ND, which is the law of refraction.